Hi, I'm Rich Wagner from Van Mark. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a USA EZ. Start off with the end support. So next we're going to install the cross brace. Select the height that you would like. Grab the T-knob, slide it through, then grab your nut plate, place it to the back, and then tighten down. Next we're going to install the axle plate. There's two of these. Make sure that they're facing the same way. Next we're going to install the axle and wheels. Note there's a hole on one side of the axle. Place your snap cap onto the other side. Hammer into place. Next we're going to take the axle, place the wheel on the axle. You want to make sure that the protruded side is facing in towards the stand. Slide the axle through the wheel, and then the axle supports. Once again, place the protruded side in towards the stand. Washer, cotter key. For the USA1EZ, you have a silver latch plate, although with the USA2, you could use the black latch plate if you had it. And this is for the 14-inch throat brakes, this stand is. So you install, make sure that the hook is facing up. Install the latch plate using the 3/8 T-knob. Leave it loose for when you set the brake on, and you'll latch it into place. Next, we're going to show you how to install the extension bracket. This is for a 20-inch throat brake. It's a little easier if you install the 3/8 bolt first. Locate the top hole. Install the latch plate, hook facing up, place the 3/8 T-knob in place, leave it loose, complete. So to operate your EZ stand, you lift up, let the wheels fall. You can actually spin 360 and then lift up, let it fall again. Click subscribe for more videos.